Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeur de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French teacher. Today, how to ask do you have in French? Well, first, always ask with elegance. But today, you'll find the right balance between too casual and maybe a little too stiff when asking for something. So, as usual, go to the website where you'll find the free transcript. And if you haven't noticed, I also have now a French vault with more resources that I created to help you out. Before we start, again, I want to thank you for listening to my podcast. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. It really helps other listeners to find out about this podcast. I know it's already way too much English. Are you ready to speak French? When asking a yes/no question, use est-ce que. Est-ce que. This is a common way to ask for something. You do not sound too casual or too formal. Est-ce que vous avez? Est-ce que vous avez? Est-ce que vous avez? You hear with the Z sound. If you know the person or speaking to a child, then est-ce que tu as? Est-ce que tu as? Let's practice. Let's say you want to say, do you have any herbal teas or any herbal tea? Est-ce que vous avez des infusions? Est-ce que vous avez des infusions? Now let's see that you're talking to someone and you want to say, do you have any questions? Est-ce que tu as des questions? Est-ce que tu as des questions? Is this clear to you? So remember, right? Est-ce que vous avez is not too casual or not too formal, and you only use it when you don't know the person or if you want to say you. Est-ce que tu as is when you speak to someone younger than you or someone you know. Second way to ask is avez-vous? Avez-vous? These days, inverting the subject vous with the verb avez is less common, but you'll sound sophisticated and elegant when using avez-vous. Avez-vous? And of course, when talking to a friend or a young child, you use as-tu. As-tu. Let's practice. Do you have any tomato juice, right? You're sitting at a French terrace and you're not sure that your waiter or your waitress speaks French and you want to ask if you have any tomato juice. Avez-vous du jus de tomate? Avez-vous du jus de tomate? Not jus. Jus. Avez-vous du jus de tomate? For some, avez-vous is easier than est-ce que vous avez. As-tu une place pour le concert? Do you have a ticket for the concert? As-tu une place pour le concert? As-tu une place pour le concert? Avez-vous du jus de tomate? As-tu une place pour le concert? And the last way to ask is the most sophisticated that you want to use when you want to be extra polite and very formal. It's the same but asking would you have? You're going to say auriez-vous? Auriez-vous? I know it's not easy with the R sound. Or Auriez-vous? 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 Would you have? Auriez-vous? You've noticed or, right? It's a I pitch, no O. Or. Or. Your mouth is wide open. Auriez-vous? Auriez-vous? Would you have? For a friend or a child, when you use aurais-tu? 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 When do you need to use it? Well, maybe, you want to go and ask a restaurant if you have any open table. Such as, would you have an open table tonight? Auriez-vous une table de libre pour ce soir? Auriez-vous une table de libre pour ce soir? Auriez-vous une table de libre pour ce soir? And now let's say that you want to ask someone, a child, would you have time for me? Right? Maybe you need some help and just want to know, would you have time for me? Aurais-tu un moment pour moi? Aurais-tu un moment pour moi? Would you have time for me? Aurais-tu un moment pour moi? I know it's a lot of pronunciation and a lot to observe. That's why, if you've missed it, I have just launched a new online class that is self-paced, self-directed. You can study at your own pace in your own home, where we're going to drill on pronunciation and, of course, ordering, daily life in France, getting directions, so you are confident to navigate France and French when you get there. Check it out, and I'd still have the promo running. All right, bravo, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Make sure to check the transcript. It's on the website. It's free, and you have a cheat sheet to practice. And if nobody has told you today, I know, you're terrific. Bravo! C'est la fin de cet épisode. Vous pouvez aller sur le site internet pour pouvoir trouver la fiche d'exercice. Et si personne ne vous l'a dit aujourd'hui, vous êtes formidable. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.